All right, so we got another project, 16-foot Spectrum. As you can tell, it needs some new carpet. Oh yeah. Ugh. I completely gutted this thing. The boat's looking good. It's got new flooring. Nice and rock solid, not gonna fall through it like the old stuff. And we have a clean floor. I did fiberglass over this to seal it. Aluminum is stripped to bare. We are very slowly but surely getting this done. All right, we're gonna let this dry a little bit more and then hit it with the vacuum. But man, what a difference. When it all makes it worth it, it starts coming together. Feels like you actually accomplished something. All new leather. See the corners there. Luckily they're kind of hidden on the boat, but a couple more things need leather and we're rolling.
Does anybody need a boat? 1500, our best offer. It ain't got no rod, doesn't run, but it ran when parked. It works great.
All right, so the console is back in and done. I wasn't gonna paint this. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, sand it, give it a paint. All right, next piece is done. All right, everything's tucked. There's one wire hanging down. That's for the horn. It mounts under there, but everything's all hidden. Steering wheel's in. First windshield is all in. Looking pretty good. All right, this guy is all in and mounted. Stroke it. Stroke it, baby. Oh, yeah. The Ghetto Express is ready to go fishing. I think a spider was living in here and collecting bugs. Look at all those bugs that were in there. Siphoning all the old gas out. Looks clean. All right, so while I'm here, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace these fuel lines. This seat sits so much higher. I'm gonna take a Sawzall to it. So after a little Sawzall work, this pole thinned down towards the end, so I had to cut it again, but we're gonna get this guy in there. All right, so today is March 5th. I got this thing the day of Christmas, December 25th. So 2 full months, January and February. Still have to finish that, but that's all right. We're gonna take this thing out to the lake and test it. It is ready to go, baby. The good old Spectrum. I'm not gonna say anything about the name of the boat. Just assume this boat belongs to me because of the name. Anyway, we're ready to go, baby. Let's get this thing started. Baby. All right, so far so good, except for the fact that to go right, I gotta turn left, and to go left, I gotta turn right, but that's all right, we'll figure it out. wire between this fitting, the other end connects to it, and the fuel pump was having an issue. So we're just gonna eliminate this and run the fuel hose directly through it. So I had to take this piece of crap new fuel line and run it straight to the fuel pump. And now we got pressure when we crank. So we good to go, baby. She's a runner! Ooh, yeah, baby.